Introduce features interest for Vantrue X4S, 4K, 5G Wi-Fi cam. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. X4S cam uses OMNI vision sensor and advanced f1.7 lens that provides an 8-megapixel image and records excellent video with a resolution of up to 4K 2160p at 30 fps/1440p at 60 fps/1080p. At 120 fps, which reduces distortion and clear images. 4 times higher than a regular Full HD recording. 131 degrees wide angle reduces all blind spots and gives you full 4-lane coverage. If you want to upgrade to dual recording mode with all-around protection, please buy an extra rear camera for that. Inbuilt Wi-Fi allow you to operate the dash camera via mobile phone and enable real-time view, playback. And free to download the recordings instantly onto your mobile or tablet using the free Vantrue Cam app, available for iOS or Android. 2 different Wi-Fi standards for 2.4 and 5 GHz avoid wireless interference and also make you download and transfer files more stable and faster. You won't miss a thing with our Wi-Fi cam. The combination of an f1.7 aperture, 6-glass lens, and professional WDR ensures the car camera regulates light effectively and delivers great video in low light conditions, which makes reading license plates, street signs, and important details is a breeze at night. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.